Okay, so today we're going to start making our rockets for our rocket lab. You can use this in so many different science classes. You can do it for your space or aerodynamics in grade 6. You can use it for space in grade 9. You can use it as a projectile motion lab in physics 20 and maybe even momentum in physics 30. But you could use it in any class whatsoever just for doing the scientific method. So we're going to start off with our ruler, scissors, and tape, just making our basic rockets. So we're going to start off by making our rockets different lengths. So the first rocket length that we're going to have is 3 centimeters. So we're going to make sure they're the right length, and then we're going to use that one to measure the next one, and we're going to make 5 rockets the same length. You'll notice we're using the bigger straws. If you have the ability to use big straws, these would be the best. If you don't, and you have noodles at your house, the straight noodles, you could use those as well. And then you just make your rockets with fins. So those are our 3 centimeters. And then we're gonna go up and double the length. So we will probably speed up the video for this, but we'll just make them all right now. Okay, so now that we have all of our lengths, we need to make them into rockets. Right now, if you try to shoot them, because it's a hole all the way through the middle, we're not going to be able to do it. So you're going to take your tape. It doesn't matter what kind of tape you use. I happen to have clear tape, but any kind of tape will work. And you're going to pinch the end of your rocket together and tape over the end. So it looks like this. One side open, one side closed. And you're going to do that for each and every single one of the rockets that you're going to be shooting, which would be all of the ones that you make. So like this. All right, we're going to speed this up. Our rockets are ready. It's time to go shoot them. First, you're going to measure out your distances. If you don't have a measuring tape, just pace it out using your stride measurements. The next thing you're going to want to do is create your data table. Your controls are going to be the height of release. You're going to want to make sure that you have the straw coming out perfectly horizontally from your mouth, so you get a horizontal launch. Then you're going to have the weather, and you're going to try to have the thrust or air pressure be constant, meaning that your the amount that you blow is going to be the same. Your data table should have the lengths of your rockets and the distance they travel. Make sure you're thinking about which one is the manipulated and which one is the responding variable. To launch our rockets, we're going to take a regular straw, stick it into our rocket. We're going to try to have our thrust be the same for each one. So we're going to take a deep breath. Shoot all your rockets from the same spot in the same way, remembering all of your controls. You will notice that they all pretty much landed in the same spot. This is actually amazing science. Let's get the measurements and find out why.